Hello and welcome to English for Beginners. Lesson 28. His name's Oliver. Her name's Mary. He's 70. She's 67. He's British and she's British. They're British. He lives in Paris and she lives in Paris. They live in Paris. He's married and she's married. They're married. He's got 3 sons and she's got 3 sons. They've got 3 sons. He speaks French and she speaks French. They speak French. Mary and Oliver live in Paris. They live in Paris. They're married. They've got 3 sons. They speak French. Mary and Oliver don't like cooking. Mary and Oliver don't like cooking. They don't like cooking. They don't like cooking. They don't like cooking. Mary and Oliver love eating. Mary and Oliver love eating. Mary and Oliver love eating. You say. They love eating. They love eating. They love eating. Mary and Oliver go to bed at 10:30. Mary and Oliver go to bed at 10:30. Mary and Oliver go to bed at 10:30. You say. They go to bed at 10:30. They go to bed at 10:30. They go to bed at 10:30. Oliver and James like fishing. Oliver and James like fishing. Oliver and James like fishing. You say. They like fishing. They like fishing. They like fishing. James, Sarah, and Katie love cheese. James, Sarah, and Katie love cheese. You say. They love cheese. They love cheese. They love cheese. Katie, Mary, and Oliver play tennis. Katie, Mary, and Oliver play tennis. Katie, Mary, and Oliver play tennis. They play tennis. They play tennis. They play tennis. Mary and Oliver are married. Mary and Oliver are married. Mary and Oliver are married. They're married. They're married. They're married. Mary and Oliver are British. Mary and Oliver are British. Mary and Oliver are British. You say. They're British. They're British. They're British. They're British. Mary and Oliver are clever. Mary and Oliver are clever. Mary and Oliver are clever. You say. They're clever. They're clever. They're clever. Mary and Oliver are stupid. Mary and Oliver are stupid. Mary and Oliver are stupid. They're stupid. They're stupid. They're stupid. Sarah and James are hungry. Sarah and James are hungry. Sarah and James are hungry. You say. They're hungry. They're hungry. They're hungry. Sarah and James are calm. Sarah and James are calm. They're calm. They're calm. Katie and Mary are hot. Katie and Mary are hot. Katie and Mary are hot. They're hot. They're hot. They're hot. Katie and Mary are cold. Katie and Mary are cold. Katie and Mary are cold. They're cold. They're cold. They're cold. That's it for today. Thanks for coming and see you again next time. Goodbye.